Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to create outline text effect in Adobe Photoshop CC. After opening your image, go to Layer panel, and duplicate the background layer. Go to Menu Bar, click on Select, and then choose Subject, to make the selection. Now apply the layer mask. Choose Text tool, and write your text with any bold font. Press Ctrl+T. Skew little bit towards left side from the bottom left point of the text, and rotate. Make a duplicate copy of the text layer. Convert it into shape. Select No Fill, and apply 20 pixels stroke to the shape layer. Move the text layer towards bottom side. Select both text and shape layer, and link them. And it's done. So that was the tutorial about creating transparent text effect in Adobe Photoshop CC. I hope you like it. If you have any question, suggestion or feedback, feel free to comment below. Also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.